Imagine this, it's a freezing winter morning. You hop into your car, turn the key, and it roars to life, but what you don't realize is that this seemingly normal routine is silently damaging your engine. What's worse, your air conditioning system. Something you think is only for hot summer days might also be making the problem worse. Sounds surprising, right? In today's video, I'm going to explain why cold starts are one of the biggest threats to your engine's health, how your AC system plays a hidden role in this, and what you can do to protect your car. Trust me. What you'll learn here could save you thousands of dollars in repairs and extend the life of your vehicle by years. So buckle up, because this is something every car owner needs to know. What happens during a cold start? Let's start with the basics. What is a cold start? A cold start happens when you turn on your car after it has been sitting idle long enough for the engine and oil to cool down. This is especially common on cold mornings or after your car has been parked for several hours. When the engine is cold, the oil inside it thickens and doesn't flow easily. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It reduces friction between moving parts and prevents them from wearing out too quickly. But here's the problem: when the oil is thick and sluggish, it doesn't reach critical parts of the engine right away. For the first few moments after you start the car, parts like pistons, cylinders, and crankshafts are essentially running with little to no lubrication. Imagine trying to run a marathon on a freezing day without warming up your muscles. It's a recipe for disaster. Those first few seconds of metal grinding against metal might not seem like a big deal, but over time, they cause significant damage to your engine. Why cold starts are so harmful? You might be thinking, how much harm can a few seconds really do? Well, here's a shocking fact: up to 90% of an engine's lifetime wear and tear happens during cold starts. Yes, you heard that right. Almost all the damage your engine experiences throughout its life happens in those first few moments after you turn the key. This happens because cold starts cause higher friction and stress on the engine's moving parts. Over time, this wear and tear reduces the engine's efficiency, leading to problems like lower fuel economy, higher emissions, and even engine failure. What does this mean for you? It means more frequent repairs, costly breakdowns, and a much shorter lifespan for your engine. And let's not forget the environmental impact. An inefficient engine burns more fuel, which contributes to pollution. The bottom line is, cold starts are not just bad for your car, they're bad for your wallet and the planet too. The role of your AC system. Now, let's talk about something most people don't think about: the role of your air conditioning system during cold starts. You might be wondering, what does my AC system have to do with this? Surprisingly, it has a lot to do with it. Here's how it works. Your air conditioning system relies on a component called the compressor, which is powered by the engine. Even in winter, your AC system kicks in when you use features like the defrost button to clear your windshield. While this is helpful for visibility, it also means that your engine has to power the compressor at a time when it's already struggling to warm up. Think of it like lifting weights while you're still waking up. Your muscles aren't ready, and the extra strain increases the risk of injury. Similarly, your engine isn't ready to handle the additional load from the AC compressor. This extra stress worsens the damage caused by cold starts, making the situation even more harmful for your engine. Warm up your engine wisely. Now that we know the problem, let's talk about solutions. One of the simplest ways to reduce cold start damage is to warm up your engine properly. But here's the thing: idling your car for 10 or 15 minutes isn't the answer. In fact, idling for too long wastes fuel and can actually harm modern engines. Instead, let your car idle for about 30 to 60 seconds. This gives the oil enough time to circulate and reach all the moving parts. After that, start driving gently. Avoid revving the engine or accelerating too quickly for the first few minutes. This allows the engine to warm up more efficiently and reduces the stress caused by a cold start. Use the right oil for winter. Another powerful way to protect your engine is to use the right type of oil. Not all oils are created equal, and the wrong one can make cold starts even worse. In cold weather, synthetic oils are often the best choice because they flow more easily at low temperatures. Check your car's owner manual for the recommended oil type for winter. Using the right oil ensures that your engine gets proper lubrication from the moment you start it, reducing wear and tear significantly. Be smart about the defrost button. Now let's talk about your AC system again, specifically the defrost button. When you hit defrost, your air conditioning system works to remove moisture from the air, helping to clear your windshield. This is a useful feature. But it comes with a catch: it puts extra strain on your engine during a cold start. Here's what you can do: wait a minute or two after starting your car before using the defrost feature. This gives your engine a little time to warm up before it has to power the AC compressor. It's a small change that can make a big difference in reducing engine strain. Park smarter. Parking your car in the right spot can also help reduce cold start damage. If you have access to a garage, use it. Keeping your car indoors protects it from freezing temperatures, making it easier for the engine and oil to stay warm. If you don't have a garage, consider using a car cover to shield your vehicle from frost and icy winds. Regular maintenance is key. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of regular maintenance. Make sure your engine oil is changed on schedule and that your air conditioning system is in good condition. A well-maintained AC system is less likely to put unnecessary strain on your engine, even in winter. Regular checkups can catch small issues before they turn into costly problems. Cold starts might seem like a small inconvenience, but they can have a huge impact on your car's engine over time. By understanding the problem and taking simple steps like warming up your engine wisely, using the right oil, and being careful with your AC system, you can protect your car, save money, and keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more car care tips. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who might be unknowingly damaging their engine every morning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.